Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to learn how to create email signature on Gmail in 2021. So now you have to know sometimes when you send an email it should look professional and all that kind of thing. Then you don't know how to do that and you're using a Gmail. There's nothing wrong to use a Gmail as your account company email. So but sometimes you need a signature. It helps a lot. You can always attach it attaches sometimes, always, it depends on how you set it attaches your contacts all the time, your address, your numbers, where it's from, company name, all that. So now we're gonna create one now, so to see how it works. I know you know how it works, but you don't know, maybe you might not know how to do what to create it. That's the thing we have to do. So you click on settings. When you're logging on Gmail, this is what you're gonna see. Then you click on this gear icon, then you say settings. After settings, you click on all settings, then you scroll down. You're gonna find something which say no signature, but then you say create new. You click on create new, then you give it a name and say my company, okay, we can call it Azania tutorials. Then once you're done with that, then you say create. After creating, you gave it a name. Now it needs some text and all of that. We say Azania tutorials, and you say is a private company, okay. Then you say tel, you can put a tel. You say plus, you can say plus 44 then 288, okay, 7, okay. Then you're done. Then you can say sell. You can put this and put plus 44 6 7, then okay, you're done. Then you say email. You can say the same email, azania.azania@gmail.com. Then you say address, okay, address, you could say 15 Rose, we're gonna say 15 Rose Road, Birmingham. UK. Okay, that's fine. So you want people to see this. You may, if you want, attach your logo, because there's some attachment things here. You may also, okay, you may design what they call letterhead. After letterhead, then you put it as your image here, but text is always easier. Why? Because it's easy to download. But you can also put your logo. Then maybe you can put working hours if you want. Working hours. You can say 24/7 Monday. It's gonna be Monday 1 to Friday. Okay, once you're done with that, that's what you have to do. Once you're done with this signature, you can save it. After saving it, and in some cases, if you have a lot of emails which you are attached here, you must check it. Okay, let me say I'm going to try to create. Nothing comes, is okay. So now what I'm gonna do that, we created it, but we didn't tell it to be assigned to our email. So I'm gonna do this. Let me see. Azania tutorials, which is fine. And now no signature, we can select Azania. You can see this is the way you do what, assign a signature to your email. We select it for new emails, yes. On previous, forwarded. On reply, forward, use the same email. Then we do what, we save. Okay, once we save this, it's gonna automatically work on our new emails and the forwarding emails. You click here, you see once you click here, it starts. Adania Tutorials is a private company. Telephone number +442676788789. Then say +446 9678 9890. Email address azania.azanian at gmail.com. Address 15 Rose Road, Birmingham, UK. Working hours 24/7, Monday to Friday. I forgot to click here, and it's fine, it's easier. You can see now, if you can send an email to somebody, it's easier. This is what is going to be attached there. You see, that's the way they create the what they call a signature in Gmail. So that's good. You can go back and customize it, or if you didn't like the way it looks like, it's pretty simple. You go and scroll down here, and you can find the same email. Then you try to edit it. You can remember what I forgot was 24/7. I put a stroke, then I forgot to put 7, Monday to Friday. Okay, you can say including public holidays. Okay, once you're done with that, you can save that, only send it. Okay, sorry about that. You can see how it worked. Since it's fine now, what you do, you're gonna go and say compose. Then when you compose, you can see that our thing worked 100%. You can then start to say, hi, please download them, or please find the attached invoice. Then you can go and say invoice for December. Okay, after doing that, we can send MIT at gmail.com. okay, after finding that, you can do what, use the attachment. You can see everything is proper. Then you can see also there's a way to set up that, but it looks 100%, so you can just come down here, say that, fine. Then you send a professional email. Every time when you send the email, you don't need to type this, it's gonna just attach itself by default. You get me? To avoid a lot of stress whereby people won't know your address, your phone numbers, what are the working hours, all that, it's necessary to put it there. So you do what, you send your email, and that email will go to the targeted email, and the attachment is gonna be there. Let's go to send emails. When you go to send emails, you click here. You can see the kind of email you sent. You see even the attachment is here. It was put in here, and also your signatures here. Well, that is good. Then there's a trick here also, which you didn't know, maybe you know. You click here if you want to create another one, and then you assign it there, when, how, whatever. So you can create a new one. Then you can see which emails you're going to attach it to, because you might have a couple of emails when you set up company emails, but each and every email you want it to have its own attachment. You saw that here. If you want attachment, you create this. You scroll down here and select which one. You get me? Here we have only one, and we can create a new one. Then we start doing that. Insert signature before. You can also set that to insert signature before quoted text in replies, and remove the, you can see this. That's the thing I told you, we set it up. If you don't want that, you set it up like that. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe. This is the end of our tutorial. If I messed up something, I'm sorry about that. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.